Okay, it's end of September 2024. She's been in for 4 months. More than that, nearly 4.5 I think. Happy hull underneath, in cloud 9. So I'm just pulling her out of the water for the season. And you can see the bottom is basically pristine, super clean. Every time I've taken it out it does 40 miles an hour on the nose, wide open throttle as it should. Never had to clean it. It's pretty impressive really. Okay, so she's out. You can see the hull, it's very happy. There's nothing on there at all, just that's just a bit so that makes me very happy. Excuse that, I've put the Happy Hull in the back. I'll take it home and just jet wash it all off, but very happy not to have a big jet wash mission and cleaning of a hull mission.